welcome to JSR DevOps, my YouTube channel. Today we are discussing about how to get user credentials if we forget it in Jenkins server. So for that, here I know the username. So I forgot my user credentials, that password. So then how we recovery, I will explain in this video, in this section. So if you go to the Jenkins uh, official, so it is the home path of Jenkins directory. So where live Jenkins in intro point of view, also if they will ask any question, what is the home path of Jenkins, where live Jenkins. So if you go this directory, here we have uh, server dot service config dot xml. So this is the file we have to modify it. So vi config dot xml. If you scroll down, here we have see here disable sign up. If you go and check in this file, we have disable sign up. Here I will change the configuration. I will keep, instead of true, I will keep false. So don't forget it, disable sign up. So in this session only we have to modify in the configuration file. So I change it from true to false. Then I will change and save the configuration file. Then I will restart my Jenkins server service. I will restart my Jenkins server by using service Jenkins restart. It will take little bit time. Once it will restart, then you can refresh it. So you can mention here register, click on it. So give any name, admin 12, username, full name 12, and mail ID, whatever it is you can give, ABCD, password, you can mention anything. So it is optional. Once user is created, here I am logging with a new user. So I created this admin 12. So once I log in with this new user, then go to the settings. If you click on settings, you will get these options. Scroll down and go to the users. If you click on the users, so here we have two users are available. So I forgot this admin user password. Then you will choose settings, click on it where you forget the password of user, click on that settings and click security. and it will display the screen like this, and change the password. Apply and save. Now log out. Now change the file. Now you can stop the Jenkins server. Stop. Now you can go and change config.xml. Instead of false, so here disable sign up. Instead of false, just I changed true, and now start the Jenkins. Restart the Jenkins. Once restart the Jenkins, then refresh the page. Now you can sign with user. Now I am logging with admin. So if you want to delete the previous user, you can go settings, click on settings, go to the users and remove the latest user. If you want, you can keep it, or else you can remove it. So this is the way of recovery of credentials of Jenkins server if you forgot the password. Thank you. If you have any queries, please keep in the comment section. Thank you.